Hi guys, as per this article which is published in the newspaper, so we will come to know about exactly what the problem going on between DT. So let's translate this to from Hindi to English. Okay, one second. Okay, let me do that. Okay, now this is English now. So rage among the student due to the poor management of the state government MBMS entrance test base. Now because I've translated from Hindi to English, there will be some word issues, so we have to ignore them for the time being. So of course यार we are all upset यार, कब का प्रोसेस यार, बाकी कॉलेजेस में समर प्लेसमेंट भी चालू होने वाला है एंड अपना यहाँ पे यही नहीं पता कि एडमिशन कहाँ होने वाला है, किस कॉलेज में जाना है. Alright, so the havoc of coronavirus continues increasing the country. Lockdown imposed on 15 March to prevent the spread of the current due to profound effects. Closed education, of course, is being affected. Closed down for last 7 months now. Simultaneously, examination conducted, secret admission, medical, entrance, engineering, all of them were obviously postponed. But due to the poor management, students have been anger now. There immense anger among the students. So of course this is what we are seeing now. So MBA MS entrance test, state level entrance exam which was conducted 15th 15 March, displayed March, result came on May 31st. There is no sign of admission process. DT CT cell are waiting for the final year result. जबकि लास्ट ईयर ऐसा कोई रूल था ही नहीं कि फाइनल ईयर रिजल्ट का वेट करेंगे. सडनली द फाइनल ईयर रिजल्ट का क्लॉज हैव कम. ओके, so this is we wait for that. I think the main problem which I personally feel is they want to conduct all the cap rounds together. That's I personally feel that's the main issue. Okay, now comes the main problem of the day today. The lack of coordination between the state government and DT and CT cell is the main issue. DT chief Abhay Wagh and CT cell in charge Pankaj Kumar know all the procedures, but they're still not giving the correct admission information and timeline for the students. Student organization have met the education minister. Met education minister 2 times and seen the lack of coordination between the state government and the DT cell as well. So DT and CT cell, there is no coordination. State government and DT, there is no coordination. This is because everything is going on in lingo. But again, I will say har saal all the cap rounds for all the exams happens together. So इस बार भी शायद उसका wait हो रहा होगा. Rage among the students is going on. One second. Rage among the students. Under the unlock, the central government have given permission to all the colleges to start the classes through online mode. Yep. IIMs and private colleges have started their courses and also starting the summer internship from next month. But in Maharashtra, students have to do MBA. They cannot enroll to the college without taking the exam, due to which the question mark have raised about the future of the students. So their 1 year has come to waste. A lot of anger among the students due to poor management of the state government. So one thing is clear, all this thing is happening because of the lack of coordination between the state governments. UGC का dates have also passed. UGC have given the strict guidelines कि every state university have to follow the guidelines. वो भी इस बार पूरा delay हो गया है. So the total mess, but don't worry, admission तो होगा ही होगा. So but this give it a clarity. So सबका साथ में होगा, cap round जब भी होगा. So I'll keep you updated. So any news which I get, I'll keep you posted about all those news. So अभी सब साथ में, अभी क्या कर सकते हैं यार. So just have to wait and watch. Alright, all the best.